across the world start looking at India as a country, I think the most important point that we all ought to remember is Prime Minister says make in India. He doesn't necessarily say make in Telangana, make in Tamil Nadu, make in Karnataka. So when an investor is looking at India with any degree of interest, I think it's imperative that we understand while Government of India is there to make policies, to create buzz, to positive kind of outlook towards India, the real action is in the states. The states have to really, buck up and have to start elevating their game. Talking about ease of doing business or quality of doing business or lowering the cost of doing business, I think it's imperative that states compete with each other on a very, very healthy note. As our Honorable Minister, Senior Minister, Mr. Deshpande has said, while we may all have our own strengths, for example, Karnataka leads in some sectors, Tamil Nadu has got this, its strength in some sectors, so does Telangana in pharma, IT, etc., etc. But the fact of the matter is, we could do more as a bloc as well. The question that you asked more pertinently was, how can we collaborate? How can we, in the pre-competitive space, on some counts, we compete with each other. But we also have to remember the competition is not so much between states anymore. When Apple was making an investment decision of setting up its largest base outside of the US, they were comparing about 26 cities across the world. So the competition is not just between Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Maharashtra and Andhra. I think the competition is global. It is between Hong Kong, Shanghai, Chennai and the rest of the cities across the world. So we have to coordinate, we have to collaborate on some counts on the pre-competitive space where there is enough room for us to negotiate as a bloc, and then we also have to ensure at the same time that we retain each of our strengths, we compete on policies, compete on tailor-making incentives, etc. For example, Telangana as a state is very strong in information technology, and we've started building more and more. We're not as strong as Bangalore for sure, they're number one without a doubt. But at the same time, we are trying to ensure that more and more new sectors, the next waves of growth, the sunrise sectors as they call them. For example, after demonetization, the entire country is talking about digitization. Now, the digitization itself has a lot of challenges inbuilt. Data security, data analytics, data warehousing. So now we are trying to build on all these new areas as well, ensuring that it not only creates more employment opportunities, but India also can provide solutions to the rest of the world as well.